machine create art as emotionally resonant as a human can? This compelling question takes us into the realm of art and artificial intelligence. Traditionally, we've held the belief that art is a uniquely human endeavor. It's a canvas for our emotions, a testament to our skill, a product of our creativity. It's where we bare our souls, expressing our deepest fears, joys, and desires. But now, we're witnessing a shift. Enter AI art, a fascinating hybrid of technology and creativity. In essence, it's art created by artificial intelligence. Machines, fed with data and algorithms, producing pieces that are intriguing and at times indistinguishable from human-created works. They analyze patterns, learn from them, and then use this knowledge to create. It's an exciting development, certainly. A new frontier in the way we create and appreciate art. But does this new form of artistry compare to the time-honored tradition of human-created art? Imagine a world where the brush doesn't need a hand to make a stroke. Intriguing, isn't it? Welcome to the realm of AI art, where lines between technology and creativity blur. Artificial intelligence, through algorithms and machine learning, has ventured into the domain of art, creating masterpieces that baffle the human mind. These aren't random splashes of color, but calculated strokes that form a coherent image, akin to a human artist's vision. The process is fascinating. An AI trained on thousands of art pieces learns styles, forms, and patterns. It then creates not by mere imitation, but by understanding and interpreting these elements in its unique way. One such AI creation, a portrait, even crossed the esteemed threshold of Christie's auction house, fetching a staggering $432,500. A clear testament to the prowess of AI in the art world. So we see that the capabilities of AI in creating art are indeed impressive. But how does it measure up against traditional art? The Mona Lisa, the Starry Night, the Scream, all fruits of human creativity and emotion. Can AI art stand up to such masterpieces? Let's delve into this. Traditional art is a laborious process where an artist expresses emotions and ideas through each stroke, each color, each texture. It's a personal journey of exploration and communication. In contrast, AI art is born out of algorithms, data, and machine learning. It's a technological journey where patterns and aesthetics are learned and replicated. In terms of reception, traditional art often resonates deeply with viewers, stirring emotions and sparking conversations. AI art, on the other hand, fascinates with its complexity and precision, provoking discussions about technology's role in art and creativity. The art community remains divided. Some embrace AI art as a new form of expression, while others argue that it lacks the human touch, the emotional depth. While AI art has its own unique allure, it seems the human touch in traditional art still holds a certain irreplaceable charm. So, we've taken a journey through the world of art, both human-made and AI-created. We've marveled at the uncanny ability of machines to mimic the brushstrokes of the masters and the innovative ways in which artificial intelligence is pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. We've pondered upon the stark differences and striking similarities between AI art and traditional art, and we've delved into the diverse reactions, both public and critical, towards this burgeoning art form. But this is not the end of the story. As we move further into an increasingly digital and AI-driven world, the canvas of art will continue to evolve and expand. The brushstrokes of tomorrow may well be coded, and the galleries of the future could exist in the cloud. Whether AI will ever match up to the emotive power of human artistry remains to be seen. But one thing is clear: the world of art is changing, and we are here to witness this exciting evolution.